Intonation. You have learned in the previous lessons that intonation can signal the focus words in statements and questions. In the next two lessons, you will learn additional functions of intonation. Listening Speaking Activity 1, Intonation and Items in a Series. When you present two or more items in a series, the pitch rises on the stressed syllable of every item except the last. The rising pitch on an item suggests to the listener that more information is to come. The falling pitch on the last item suggests that there is no more information to come. Notice the following example in which the speaker uses rising intonation on every item except for grapes. I like apples, oranges, bananas, lemons, and grapes. In the following exercise, listen to the speaker say some statements. Then repeat the statements after the speaker. Pay particular attention to intonation patterns and items in a series. For extra practice, make a voice recording for each statement, after which you can compare your recording to a sample native speaker recording. 1. It is important to prepare for a test beforehand, to manage your time efficiently, and to avoid making careless errors. 2. She likes hiking, swimming, biking, and shopping. 3. The professor knows that his students studied hard for the exam, that they have mastered the course material, and that they are ready to become doctors. 4. Kentaro went to school today. He took the computer-based TOEFL, and he received a passing score. 5. Southern California has many well-known universities, some of which include the following: USC, UCLA, UCSD, and UCR. 6. Televisions, cellular telephones, and personal computers are electronic appliances which use computer chips. 7. My favorite Western movies are High Noon, Once Upon a Time in the West, and The Wild Bunch. 8. Mowing the yard, taking out the garbage, and weeding the garden were among some of the chores I had as a child. 9. When you go to the store, remember to get cereal, eggs, flour, cookies, fruit, and tortillas. 10. Where you go, what you do, and whom you see is none of my business. Listening Speaking Activity 2, Intonation and Showing Surprise or Disbelief. A speaker sometimes shows surprise or disbelief by echoing a statement using rising intonation. The rising pitch often occurs on the stressed syllable of the last content word in the statement. Notice how the second speaker uses rising pitch to show excitement upon hearing that his friend scored 95 on his history exam. Example: I scored 95% on my history exam. You scored a 95? And the meaning there is, I'm surprised that you scored so high. In this exercise, repeat the following dialogues after the speaker. When you repeat the second speaker, be sure to use rising intonation so that you can indicate surprise or disbelief. To more closely monitor your own pronunciation, make a voice recording of each dialogue, after which you can compare your recording to a sample native speaker recording. Pause the video to make your recording now. Pause the video to make your recording now. Pause the video to make your recording now. Now listen to me read the dialogues. 1. I swam 3 miles today. You swam 3 miles? 2. She has 15 members of her family. She has 15 members? 3. John got 3 A's this semester. He got 3 A's? 4. My new car cost $35,000. You're kidding. It cost $35,000? 5. I failed my calculus test. You failed your calculus test? 6. I heard that Stephen won the lottery. He won the lottery? 7. Mr. Takashi went on vacation. He went on vacation? 8. She went to Paris yesterday. She went to Paris? 9. Dan moved out of town. He moved out of town? 10. She decided to major in accounting. She's going to major in accounting? She can't even save money. Listening Speaking Activity 3. Intonation and clarification. Like showing surprise or disbelief, when a speaker makes a request for clarification, the rising pitch often occurs in the stressed syllable of the last content word in the statement. Notice how the second speaker uses rising pitch to make sure that 8 is the third of the 7 numbers. My phone number is 888-9002. Did you say 888-9002? Repeat the following dialogues after the speaker. When you repeat the second speaker, be sure to use rising intonation so as to make a request for a clarification. To more closely monitor your own pronunciation, make a voice recording of each dialogue, after which you can compare your recording to a sample native speaker recording. Pause the video to make your recording now. Pause the video to make your recording now. Pause the video to make your recording now. Now listen to me read the dialogues. 1. A round-trip ticket to New York costs $120. For a round-trip ticket? Oh, my mistake. I meant a one-way fare. 2. I drove from Los Angeles to Palm Springs in 1 hour. In 1 hour? No, it took me 2 hours actually. 3. I bought that shirt for $30. $13? No, it cost me $30. 4. She's vacationing in South Carolina. North Carolina? No, I said South Carolina. 5. My address is 1425 Keystone Drive. 4025 Keystone? No, it is 1425 Keystone. 6. Make the check payable to John Edwards. Joan Edwards? No, John Edwards. 7. I will be driving to Los Angeles today. Los Angeles? Yes, that's right. 8. The class is meeting behind the library. Did you say in front of the library? No, I said behind the library. 9. My email address is bphillips@csusb.edu. Did you say D. Phillips? No, B, as in boy, Phillips. 10. My birthday is in September. December? No, it is September.